Like every year, Don Bosco H.S School Diphu had organized annual sports week at its school playground from 3rd of January and successfully concluded on 6th of January. On the closing ceremony of the annual sports week, Richard Togby, executive member in charge of education KAEC, attended as the chief guest of the event. A.K. Deepa, Deputy Commandant of 20th Battalion CRPF, attended as a guest. Also, Father Saji Lucas, principal, teachers, parents and guardians of the children attended the closing ceremony. Richard Togby, executive member in charge of education KAEC, while addressing his speech, shared his words of encouragement, inspiration and the importance of sports in this generation with the children. Urged them to actively participate in sports such as football, hockey, volleyball, cricket and many more, as many can avail government jobs through excelling in the field of sports. Father Saji Lucas, principal of Don Bosco H.S School Diphu, expressed his heartiest gratitude towards Richard Togby EM for his auspicious presence at the closing ceremony of the annual sports week. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.